Hey all, Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. It's been a while since I've been on, been very busy with grad school and whatnot, but here we go. This is a severe weather outlook I put back out in February for March and April, and today is no exception. We've had tremendous severe weather impacting this area right in here. That's the Texas area, so I'm going to zoom out. You can see this area here is where I thought severe weather would be for March and April, and this area right in here, folks, got hammered today with quite a bit of tornado activity going through the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Arlington, Texas area. Quite a bit of damage today. No reports of casualties or injuries at this time, but I'm sure that is going to be coming. Quite a bit of pocket of cold upper level air here, and we got a lot of um, turning with heights here and cold air aloft, and quite a bit of severe weather broke out here, right here in the Dallas, Texas area today. Um, let's see what's happening here. Let's go to hamweather.com. Let's go to the currents. Uh, Temperatures have cooled down quite a bit with the severe thunderstorms that rocketed through here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You can see this tongue of warm air that's been sitting here has been squashed down, and it's a very small area right now. You know, the aerial coverage of the warming is definitely shrinking in size, but does not mean that you're not going to see severe weather. Here's that cold pocket right over to Denver, 41 and 32 degrees here, and that is really clashing with the warm, moist air coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. And let's take a look at that, the satellite. And right in this area right here on the infrared is where you're seeing the tremendous severe weather. And let's go to the water vapor map and do the 24-hour loop here. And clearly you can see here's the upper level low here, dry line if you would, and here's where your tremendous tornado activity is going on right now. Just a dangerous situation here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and it's going to move into eastern Texas here in a bit. Let's take a look at the radar here, and you can see, get the idea that low pressure, upper level support here, surface low is here, cold front, and there's tremendous thunderstorms here going on through the Dallas-Fort Worth. You can kind of get an idea. Here's a warm front, cold front, and your triple point is right here. And this area here is very dangerous thunderstorms going on right now with some tornadoes embedded with it. You can kind of get an idea. There's a little line sinking down here. Some more activity out here. Nothing quite severe, but this is the area it's most likely for tornadoes. Let's take a look at the National Weather Service. And here is your if you would, tornado watches and warnings. Go in here closer, and oops, sorry about that. I skipped over that. Oh, in any case, this is a better look at here anyway. Here is the Fort Worth area. Here's the tremendous line of thunderstorms, severe warnings down here in Waco, Texas. More tornado warnings down in here. Most of these individual cells, especially this one's most dangerous here. It's running out in front of the main line, moving off to the east-northeast toward I-10. You're in this area, folks. Batten down the hatches. This is a dangerous storm here. Some over here, these will be your hail and tornado producers over here up along the warm front. Here's your cold front, and here's your middle, your triple point sector right here. It's in this area right in here that you're going to have your most severe weather today with tornadoes. Let's take a look at reports. Um, all from NOAA right now. Let's come up with reports here. There we go. Here's your tornado watches, still going on, and here are your reports. And it's clustered right here in the Fort Worth area. There are 6 reports right now, tornadoes in and around the Fort Worth area, Arlington, Texas area. 13 wind reports, 49 hail reports, 7 were quite large, 68 reports altogether. I'm going to say that this tornado report probably go to about, I would say between 10 and 15 on the low end, 20 on the high end. I think 10 to 15 is going to do it though. And some, like I said, reports of damage going on right now. And being reported from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Other areas out here, again, I showed you that on the satellite and the radar. These are more, if you would, hail and wind reports out in this area. Again, let's recap this on the radar. Here's your one batch of thunderstorms, and you can see northwest flow going on here still. in this area is protected. Maybe a passing shower very late. Doesn't look like any of this activity is really going to make it. So maybe Washington, Baltimore get a shower later. But the severe weather is out here. Believe it or not, snow is out here in the Denver area and the higher elevations. Let's go in here closer. Again, the Waco area, ACT, is getting hit pretty hard right now. Fort Worth, Dallas, out of the problem area, but up here, Tyler, Texas, this area here, look out. And these thunderstorms blowing off to the northeast, look out. There's tornado warnings with these, so be on the lookout. This is Wild Weather here for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Hoping that you have a good day, and if you're in this area here in Texas, stay tuned.